to another episode of TNS Talks. I'm your host, Dylan Carter, and I'm bringing you up to speed on the news around the blockchain. According to LinkedIn, crypto financial hires are up 73% from 2019 and are outpacing traditional finance hires, which are actually down 1% over the same period. Coinbase has announced its NFT marketplace is now in beta and accessible to a small set of beta testers who will be invited based on their position on its waitlist. The company is looking to take on established players in the space by adding social features like a comment system with upvotes and downvotes and an algorithmic feed. It will be interesting to see going forward how Coinbase's new NFT marketplace will reinvigorate the NFT market. Fidelity Investments is celebrating the grand opening of its first immersive Metaverse experience into offering a new way to learn investing basics. The platform is the latest move by Fidelity to create innovative ways to serve customer needs, especially the next generation of customers, as it becomes the first leading brokerage firm to offer educational experience in the Metaverse. Fidelity Stack, built in Decentraland, features a multi-level design complete with a lobby, dance floor, rooftop sky garden for users to explore on foot or even through teleportation. Solana-based lending protocol Hedge raises $3.7 million in a seed funding round. The DeFi platform offers instant interest-free loans on its own stablecoin Bush. Hedge announced plans to use this funding to hire staff and finalize a DeFi product for its Solana mainnet launch after this year. Blockchain.com plans to go public as soon as this year. As more and more crypto firms eye up IPOs, Blockchain.com received a valuation of roughly $14 billion last year after its most recent funding round. And this is now reportedly in talks with US banks for an IPO later this year. Coinbase's 2021 IPO is referred to as the Netscape moment for crypto, and today's crypto firms have shown increased interest in going public as a way to gain traction and build stronger connections between crypto and traditional finance. As always, thank you all for watching another episode of Fast 5 brought to you by Total Network Services, where we seek to make everything simple, standardized, and secure while seamlessly transitioning the digital world into the blockchain economy.